Okay, now I will create the pages, different pages for these actions. Now let's write, okay, just here, right click new file, and then save it as view.php. okay, come to index, just copy and put it here, and then delete all this stuff, save it. Okay, h1 view, okay, save it, and just copy and create one more file and save it as edit.php, and then save it, edit. Okay, and we need to create one more file, save it, okay, and then change to create and save it as add.php. Save, okay, save it. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now when I click on this view, it will take me to the view.php file, because I have created now that file. I will click on that, now it will take me to the view page. Okay, so here this is the name of that file, and this is the ID that I am trying to refer. Okay, so now if I click on edit, it will take me to edit file. Okay, so now I will create a button. Now I want to create a link as a button above this table. So for that, let's come to our index.php file, and here below this h3 I will create one more view with a class of row. Inside this I will create a link with the class of btn primary, then create post, and that will take me to add.php file. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, and below this button I will use a header, save it, refresh. Okay, now when I click on this, it will take me to add.php file. Okay, which means create. Okay, so now we have created our different files, we have set our different routes for different pages. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and thanks for watching.